Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have SVG designs in different three folder. Here is 510 SVG, here is 565, here is 700. That's mean 17 plus total files of SVG, and here is a total file. Sorry, these are designs 70 plus, and total file is 4531 in 93 folder, 2.86 GB. But don't worry, I will compress for you in 1 GB or 1 plus GB, and easy for download. Okay, here is one folder, 1.33 GB. You see 14 July SVG design bundle adventure on JPP. Here is the 35 bundle DFX files and EPS file, SVG file and PNG file. Here is 4 different files. Same here. Hi mama. Oh, proud mama, one lucky mama. Okay, same here. Dog SVG. Here is 3 different part: family SVG and sister Winnie coffee. Here is sister and holiday teacher design. Just here is 2 design, a EPS file, and here is DFX file. Part 3, here is dog. Oh, okay. Kitchen SVG, mom SVG and EPS file. World greatest mom. Okay, so I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my telegram channel Sheri SK official. Take care. Allah Hafiz.